I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things that
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another vlog. So today I wanted to do like a self-care, beauty maintenance routine, whatever you want to call it, at home. So it's gonna be pretty cheap. We're saving our coins. We're not going to the salon to do any of that. So I actually want to do my hair. I want to do natural nail care as well as a pedicure, sorry. So yeah, that's what we have on the agenda, you guys. I have been looking so busted, so crazy over the past few months, and I mean my family is used to it. They've been used to it. I usually have like flat cornrows on, you know, in case I want to wear a wig, so it's just easy and nice and flat. But when it gets to a point where it starts getting rough, ooh, no, I've been looking rough. Last year around my niece's birthday, she called me out. That little lady called me out. She looked at me and she was like, "Auntie Garu, are you gonna do your hair?" Oh my God. I was like, "What? Don't I look good though?" And she was like, "You need to do your hair." And as if that wasn't enough, she was like, "You need to do your makeup too. It be your own what, kids?" But I agree. I've been looking rough, and yeah, we need to fix that. So I do need to wash my hair today. Most of my hair care products are still the same except for this Miel. Let's try to focus that. It's just a Miel hair strengthening oil that I picked up from Walmart. This is the only new thing. I've been hearing so many good things about this and I wanted to try it. It has biotin infused in it, so yeah, because my edges, y'all, my edges are not happy with me. So I'm just trying to be better with my hair this year. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm not going to film that process because it's just too much. It's gonna be tough, and then we're gonna come back and we'll do the rest of our routine.
One eternity later.
All right guys, I am back and I've washed my hair, of course, and I sectioned it in half. In this part I've already blow dried it. I use the Revlon blow dryer. This is what it looks like, and I've shown the packaging on my channel before, so I just tried this for the first time and I like it. So I also used a heat protector, just a regular one from Walmart, and I think I did it for the most part on the low setting, and then for like a minute I had it on high, and this is the difference. I hope you can see it. This part is more shrunken than this, but I like it and I'll definitely be using it more often. So we're just going to do the other part now and we'll go about our day. So I did end up using my flat iron and I just had like one pass. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm loving it. My hair actually looks a tad bit longer than I thought it was because I gave myself a mini big chop without intending to. So seeing this length right now in a straight state is, it's kind of good. It's cool. Anyway, So I have this, so the plan is to do like a bun and like some bangs. I like that look on me. I would have done it on my hair right now, but I'm going out later and I think I wanted a bit of fullness to it. So I'm going to be using these clip-ins that I've had forever. These are from Amazon, and I sadly got them in a 1. My hair, let's try to compare this. My hair is more of a 1B, but I don't think it's that bad. Anyway, I just want to use this as a filler, sort of. So I don't think I'm going to use everything. And yeah, I'm just going to clip these on. I've never tried clip-ins, by the way, but I've seen people use it and it just looks so nice. I saw this on one YouTuber and that's when I got it, and it must have been like ages ago. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do this in front of the camera. I just know it's gonna be a struggle because yeah, I already struggled to do my hair and then to also do it in front of the camera. Total mess. So let's try to get these the rubber bands up, and then we'll just fix this in our hair. I had to stop recording that clip-in installation because it was absolute crap. I had so much trouble trying to blend it with my hair. It was just a mess. So I had to improvise a plan B. I did have like a curly wig. It's an old wig and I don't really use it. It's short. So what I did was to take out the tracks and just created this messy bun type of situation, and I love this. I actually think curly hair complements me really well. And look at the hair, look at the hair. Let's do a little close-up and a 360. Hope you guys can see it. Well, yeah, I love the way it turned out. And you know, I'm gonna go out later this evening, so by the time I put on makeup and all that, it's gonna come together. So I love this for me. Anyway, moving on, I want to do a pedicure like I stated at the beginning of this video. So I have this water massage foot spa that I got from Burlington. It was about 20 bucks. I'm pretty sure they have this on Amazon. I've looked it up. They have it on Amazon, but it is so expensive. So if you're into this, you can look into places like Burlington or TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, etc., and you can have your stuff. And I've also been trying to like improve my foot care game. I still have some supplies to buy, but you know, we'll get there someday. And so I also got this foot file as well from Burlington. So we're gonna do some magic on the feet in just a moment. I started off by using my foaming bath soap by Dr. Teal's, and then I turned on the massage setting in this foot spa and it just felt so good. I soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes and then got to scrubbing. For this part, I just used my regular soap because I don't have the callus remover, and I really thought this foot file would be much sharper, but it wasn't. And then I moved on to scrubbing, because usually when you go to the salon you have the option to choose a sugar scrub. So that is exactly what I did. I used my scrub from Dove, and personally this has just the right amount of grittiness to help me exfoliate my legs and feet. I also clip my toenails. I really do like the way it looks when it's nice and short. And then I moved on to moisturizing my legs and feet. If you're an OG on this channel, you already know that I love my combination, which is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant and the oil. This just makes me look like a glazed donut, so I love that for me. I decided last minute to paint my toenails, and when I tell you, I suck so much at just painting my toenails, so we're gonna keep this nice and short, but this was the end result. And now it's time for the natural nail care. I hardly wear artificial nails, but when I do, I really like them, and I'm usually feeling myself. At this point, I had grown out my natural nails for about a few weeks, but I was just over it, so I had to clip them down to a really short length because I like it like that. And then I proceeded to file. If you ask me, I don't even know what I was filing at this point. Probably my skin because it was so short. And then in this clip, I just had to show you that broken skin that you usually have, and it just hurts so bad. If you have this, if you experience this, please let me know. So I had to use this clipper to just snip away. It usually makes your fingers look way more put together, and it just relieves you from that pain. My nail beds look way healthier than they did by the end of last summer because I was doing gel nails back to back, and one of the things that usually helps is a nail strengthener. And for this particular one, I got this off of Burlington, and it came as a set, so I just applied that to my nails. And then I used my Sally Hansen top coat to just give it that glossy look. I do notice that it doesn't last as long on my fingers. It's probably because I'm always in water anyway, but it looks good while it lasts. I didn't show this process on camera, but I used my Tree Hut scrub to scrub my hands as well. And when I tell you, this made a world of a difference. My hands felt so smooth, and so we had to lock in all of that moisture by using my lotion. And last but not the least, I used my cuticle oil. This is the Eau de Pair that came with the nail strengthener. And so we just had to apply that on our cuticles to get rid of all the ashiness, and then we're just going to rub it all in, and then we're pretty much done. This is what my hands looked before I showed it some TLC, and here's the after. Alright people, this concludes my DIY self-care / pamper routine at home, and I had such a good time. Usually when I do body care, it's just like full body, but I don't really focus on one specific part of the body, and since I did this today, it feels so good, and it just reminded me that I need to block out time more often to just do this because I already have the materials here at home, so it's not gonna take much besides my time. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and my hands feel so soft, my feet too. My hair is thanking me, finally. I look cute. So yeah, I'm feeling myself. But if you have any tips that you use to like save coins and still manage to like have a pamper routine or like self-care, let me know what you do. If there are like any specific things that you do at home as well to save money, I would like to know that as well. But until I come your way next time, bye guys.